Did you know the average Tiny Image user saves $6,500 on SEO costs and 13 hours each month? That's a lot of time and money in your back pocket, right? So today, I'm going to walk you through all the different plans and how they can improve your store's SEO. Each one is flexible, so stick around to find the best fit for you. Advanced. If you're looking for a way to streamline your store's SEO and performance, the advanced plan includes all the key tools to help. It's the most commonly used plan among Tiny Image users because it covers essential SEO features without all the extra costs. For only $23 a month, Tiny Image includes everything in the beginner plan, plus features that would typically cost $249 or even more elsewhere. So here's what you get: 5,000 free image optimizations per month and extra optimization at only 1 cent an image. There's also 300 free AI credits to use every month. The advanced plan also gives you automatic and AI-powered metadata generation, instant indexing with Index Now, and so much more. This plan is designed to automate and simplify SEO so your store stays optimized without countless hours of manual effort. The yearly plan. The yearly plan is a smart way to save more and get long-term SEO benefits. Instead of paying monthly, you're going to pay once for 12 months up front, giving you a full stack SEO solution at an even lower cost. The yearly plan includes everything in beginner with an increased 10,000 free images per year, extra optimization price at only 1 cent an image, and 500 free AI credits per year. The yearly plan also gives you automatic and AI-powered metadata generation and instant indexing with Index Now. With the yearly plan, you lock in your savings, avoid monthly payments, and get all the tools needed to keep your store optimized for an entire year without worrying about renewals. The beginner plan. The beginner plan is a great way to test Tiny Image without a full commitment. For only $14 a month, you're going to get access to essential tools to improve your store's speed and SEO. If you need more, you can upgrade or cancel anytime. This plan includes 1,500 free images every month, extra optimization at only 2 cents an image, and 100 free AI credits to use each month. Other features such as image resizing, homepage script control, and lazy loading or asset preloading is also included. This plan is perfect for getting started and seeing how Tiny Image works best in your store. Enterprise. The Enterprise plan is perfect for stores with a lot of images and big SEO needs. It includes 20,000 free image optimizations a month, 1,500 free AI credits per month, and an extra image optimization cost at only 0.8 cents per image, not to mention a whole lot more. If you're always adding new images, Enterprise gives you the best price for ongoing optimization. This plan keeps large stores running fast and optimized with the flexibility to adjust as needed. Tiny tip: if you have a lot of images to optimize now, but won't be adding any more later, start by using the Enterprise plan to handle the bulk of the work, then downgrade to the Advanced at any time you feel. PAYG plan, or Pay As You Go, is about as simple as it gets. You get 50 free images a month, extra image optimization costs at only 3 cents an image, and 10 free AI credits to use each month. It's worth noting there is no image resizing with the PAYG plan. It's a great way to test the water, but typically best suited for developers. Tiny tip: all plans include image backup for 30 days, so if you change your mind, you can easily restore your images back to their original settings within that 30-day period. If you're still struggling to choose a plan that fits your needs, message our 24/7 support team directly. They'll check out how many images and credits you use to find out exactly what you need. As the advanced plan is most common, I'm going to select that one to show you all the next steps, plus how to customize to save you on billing and flexibility. Click Get Started and approve your billing cycle. Next, you'll be redirected to the dashboard, which I'm going to show you how to navigate in the next video. For now, let's check out what flexibility and customizability you have in your plan. On the left, navigate to the settings page. Here you can see which settings are and are not active by noting the green active icons next to the titles. In the overview, you first see automatic optimization. Toggle it on and off to automatically optimize your store every 24 hours. If you're concerned about being charged extra for additional optimizations or would rather do it manually, make sure to deactivate here. Further down, you'll also see the option "Don't optimize images when I run out of credit." With this setting activated, Tiny Image will automatically stop optimizing images when you run out of credit and nothing additional will be charged. However, any outstanding images will remain unoptimized until the credits are refilled on the next billing period. If you disable and wish to re-enable this option, click the button to automatically start a chat with our support team and you can continue optimizing. Keeping track of where you're at with your credits and plan is simple. From the options, select billing information. The information now seen is updated in real time, so you can get a snapshot update of exactly where you're at in your plan cycle. Here you can see your current plan, in our case advanced, has 5,000 free optimizations remaining, 300 AI credits remaining, and each time you complete an optimization or credit, the number or remaining credits will decrease so you can see exactly where you're up to without having to wait. Tiny tip, AI credits are super useful and used for generating meta descriptions, titles, product descriptions, and keywords. Next reset, this is your next expected payment date, extra image price, and charges this month. At the bottom, you'll have the option to upgrade or downgrade your plan. Simply click upgrade to go to the plan selection page, where you can choose a plan better suited to you. You cannot reselect the plan you're already on. Click cancel to cancel, but first, I recommend speaking to our 24/7 support team. See if there's anything else we can do to help. If you decide to cancel, you'll still be able to keep any optimizations made to your store. Only JSON LD, asset preloading, index now features, and of course, broken link detection will be removed. Well, there you have it, a complete guide on plan selections with TinyImage. If you're still unsure, make sure to hit up our 24/7 in-app support team. That's what they're here for. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow the channel for more optimization tips and tricks. See you in the next video, and until then, keep those clicks coming.